Hello everybody. Well, it's been about 3 weeks since I got started working on this car. I work about 4 hours a day, 4, 5, 6 hours a day, something like that. Anyway, I'm gonna show you where I am and where I stand with all this beautiful, nice job that I did. Okay, not following the instructions on the books because there is different ways of doing it, and listening to the experts that they've been doing this for 20 years. I believe in them, so I'm doing it kind of their way. So anyway, they said first thing, keep the panels in place, drill everything, and that's what I'm doing. It took me a while to figure out exactly where kind of the parts is, but you can take a look. I got this cover from Breeze, to the fan. This thing here, I left it real quick, unscrewed because I don't know the angle of the airflow. I got 4 sets of different new parts. These two, that one, and this one that extends the foot, so I have more spacing. So when the headers comes this way, hopefully they don't hit them, they come this way. Also what I did, I made this one removable. I heard that these pipes, you gotta work on them down here, so I made it removable. I cut this one halfway. Why? Because the body will come here. I saw it, and if you had placed the permanent parts, components, so you could open this right here. I put this thing together, the foot pedals, the brake with 2 cylinders and the clutch. Still work on it. Work on the interior, all drilled, everything is drilled. Made that removable. I'm using 1032 screws. These are tapped, but some area which is like right here, I used the rib nuts. These guys with this tool, and some of beloved parts here, and start working on the axles. I put up the differential. Took me a while with the help of some friend. I had a hydraulic table, was able to lift it in place, screwed it in. Wasn't bad. It's heavy, and I was able. And these, I like the red because I think that at the end I'm gonna have a theme red car. So I actually painted these myself. Never painted in my life. I scuffed them a little bit, sprayed them. They look beautiful. Tomorrow I'm gonna work on the second brake, but the first brake, I kind of finished it, put it in place. It looks like centered and everything. Somehow I can find these 2 nuts. Willwood, I don't know, it's missing parts, but many of this stuff still needs witness mark, and it's being torqued. Looks good. What else I did? This panel here, I heard you gotta get back. Sometimes I work on the lights, so I made it actually with a 1032 screws thread into the body. That was good. The table here, where the seat is, I didn't put any drills, no taps yet, because I want to see where the rail sits. I don't want to interfere, so that's more important. But everything is drilled nicely. This is got drilled. Again, I cut this one to make it symmetrical with the other side. I heard air conditioning goes inside here, so you could make it removable, work on the inside. This looks nice. I got a centerpiece. Hopefully impress you guys. 3 weeks of hard work. But tomorrow, all these panels, they'll be gone. Why? They'll be going for coating. So I'm working with 3 companies to see what kind of colors I'm gonna put. It's gonna be really awesome colors, hopefully. Shade of the reds. The front here, hopefully in a week or 2, I'll start working on the fronts. I wanna paint them red. Oh, the sway bars, here's one of them. It looks really nice. Really nice work. Yeah, I did paint both of them. That's it. Oh, it's a boring job, but it's boring work, but it's moving along. Hopefully 3 more axle, gonna get the fuel and the brake lines, and then engine's coming in 3 weeks.